Most cats enjoy playing with toys on the end of a fishing pole or wand. You can vary the speed and location of the toy to mimic the behavior of a mouse or a bug moving along the floor. The cat is able to stalk, chase, and pounce, but the prey stays attached to the wand. The cat cannot catch and carry their prey away. I have been looking for a toy that would allow the cats to keep their prize. I tried attaching toys with breakaway clips and Velcro, but these either didn't release easily enough or they tore apart. The Cat Amazing Snatch Toy fits the bill. The toys are connected to the line on the pole with magnets. The toys release easily, and voila, the cat has their prize. Of course, I had to buy the accessory pack of 5 additional toys. Whee! Where'd you go? Oh, you got it, Zelda. Good job. Where is it? You're sitting on it. Good job, Sal. Cleanup is easy. You just capture the toys with the magnet on the end of the wand. And wow, Giorgio's going to get all these toys. Thanks for watching.